Assalamu alaikum my beautiful viewers. Today we are drawing a circle scenery. I am using a black pointer today. First draw a straight line using a scale, then draw vertical lines beneath that line as I am drawing. Take a sellotape for drawing the sun, or you can take any object that is in circle shape. Double line the sun. Now I am drawing a branch right on the side of the sun. Making some leaves and shading it all in black with that marker or pointer you use. I am very happy and glad from my previous video you all showed a huge amount of love. It's not that much views it got, but it got enough for me. It's a very big appreciation if you watch my video full, and if you comment on it and share it, I'll be really happy. And if you comment on my drawing, how is it, it's really glad and appreciation for me. The drawings I draw just for beginners. I hope beginners find it very easy and friendly to draw. I'm drawing the leaves using the black pointer. Now giving it a realistic look, I'll draw some straight lines beneath that branch and a heart with all of the lines, as it seems to be all hearts are hanging from the tree. I am using a 6 HB pencil here for shading that balcony which I have been drawn. I am shading it in black. If you like my drawings, please subscribe to my channel. There we go. Now we will color the outer rays of the sun as it seemed to be brightening. So I'll shade it outside, and now I'll use a cotton stick for smudging or blending it more to make it more realistic. Using a red color to color the hearts. Thanks for watching. Do comment. Bye bye.